just like me. They long to be close to you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saudara Edo Pradana Paksi Pangayoman bin Widodo.
Ya, saya.
Saya nikahkan dan saya kawinkan engkau dengan anak perempuan kandung saya, Diah Ayu Tri Utami, dengan mas kawin logam mulia 5 gram dan uang 2.109.000 rupiah dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Diah Ayu Tri Utami binti Sarimin dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to